Hi. So, few months or an year ago, or maybe more than that, I thought about this analogy between uh, Sat Chit Ananda and entropy. So, I am going to speak about that. Sat Chit Ananda, how I consider it is Sat is existence, Chit is uh, elevated expression or grown form elevated expression, and Ananda is getting destroyed into or destroying something into new things. So I have explained why I think like this and those things in the first video on this channel. If you are interested, maybe you can look at it. uh, so with this idea, actually entropy, you might be knowing, is the degree of disorder or degree of energy dispersion, and there is a law of thermodynamics that degree like entropy of a closed system tend to increase, and actually a real closed system is the universe, because all other systems to some extent might be interacting with the environment, so it is not really a closed system. So if we think about it, uh, so what does it mean that in for the universe, you visualize the entire universe. For the universe, things tend to get more disordered and energy tend to get more dispersed. That also goes with universe is expanding. Our universe is expanding, most of us know that. And that also goes with this idea of Ananda, that is breaking or getting destroyed into new things, and Chit, that is growing. So in this case, actually, we don't have to have Satchidananda sequentially. It can be existing at the same time. So universe can at the same time exist, that is Sat, and at the same time it is expanding, that is Chit, growing, expanding Chit, and Ananda, that is the getting I mean, we can say parts of the universe, or uh, getting destroyed into new forms. Okay, so that is increasing the disorder. So this is one way where these two ideas are matching. And another thing is, there is one thought that arrow of time can be described by entropy. So as we know, time goes in one direction only, we cannot go in past. So but in all the equations, I mean all the physics equations, time is not directional, it is always non-directional entity. So to describe the directionality of time, they use this entropy idea, that disorder of a closed system tends to increase. So if without any external intervention anything is kept, like if there is a ball, that tends to break instead of um forming something new. I mean, how to, so yeah, so if there is an egg which falls from tree to ground, it will break. But the reverse is not true, that if an egg goes if an egg is broken, that cannot be again unbroken, because the without any intervention, if there is a closed system, like if there is a closed system, then things tend to go towards more disorder. And even in case of intervention, actually this thought is also put that so suppose there is intervention, that means that is not a closed system. But then these two entities, like there is one potter who is making a pot. So that potter is making a pot. So there is a scattered soil or sand which he is putting in the shape of pot. So now here the things seem to be going into order, but to do that, there are various things happening. That potter himself is expending some energy, and he or she will have to eat, and that will also cause in some destruction of some crop or some animal life or something like that. uh, there has to be some water which has to be brought from some resource over the towards the site of making pot. So there also some energy is also spent, and things will get this that water will fall. That will I mean that will be not directional in that case. That how to I don't know. I think I'm able. Okay. uh, yeah. So all in all, actually, if we consider the making of pot and having a pot, having a potter, this entire system together, if that we consider as a closed system, anyway that is not a closed system because it is interacting with many things. But if we consider this as a closed system, then again the energy is dispersed or things are getting disordered more. So this also, like at macroscopic level, if we are saying Satchidananda, like universe is Satchidananda, that is also applicable to the Vyavahar, like practical day-to-day transactions also. Yeah. So thank you.